Today our topic is about yoga. Yoga actually a Sanskrit word is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices of disciplines which originated in ancient India. Yoga is one of the six Astika orthodox schools of Hindu philosophical traditions. There is a broad variety of yoga schools, practices and goals. In Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism, the term yoga in the Western world often denotes a modern form of the Hatha yoga and yoga as exercise, consisting largely of the postures as asanas. The practice of yoga has been thought to date back to pre-Vedic Vedic Indian traditions, possibly in the Indus Valley civilization around 3000 BCE. Yoga is mentioned in the Rig Veda and also referenced in the Upanishads also. Although yoga mostly likely developed as a systematic study around the 5th and 6th centuries BCE. In the ancient India's ascetic and Sramana movements, the chronology of the earliest texts describing yoga practices is unclear. Varyingly credited to the Upanishads, the Yoga Sutras Patanjali date from the 2nd century to BCE and gained prominence in the West in the 20th century after being first introduced by Swami Vivekananda. Yoga Hatha Yoga texts began to emerge sometime between the 9th and 11th century with the origins in Tantra. Yoga gurus from India's later introduced yoga to the West, following the success of the Swami Vivekananda in the late 19th and early 20th century with his adaptations of yoga tradition. Excluding asanas, outside India it has developed into posture-based physical fitness, stress relief and relaxation technique. Yoga in Indian traditions, however, is more than physical exercise. It has a meditative and spiritual core. One of the six major orthodox schools of Hinduism is also called yoga, which it owns epistemology, ontology and metaphysics, and closely related to Hindu Samkhya philosophy and etymology. That Sanskrit noun yoga is derived the Sanskrit root yuch, to attach, joins, harness, yoke. The word yoga is cognate with English yoke in the text of Yoga Sutras. The word yoga means union. The spiritual sense of the word yoga first arises in epic Sanskrit, and in the second half of the first millennium BCE, and is associated with the philosophical system presented in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, with the chief aim of uniting the human spirit of the divine spirit. The term Kriya Yoga has a technical meaning in Yoga Sutras, and this we can Kriya Yoga we can know by Baba movie also, Babaji, and designing Kriya Yoga the practical aspects of the philosophy, the union with the supreme due to performance of duties in everyday life. According to the Panini, the term yoga can be derived either of the two roots, yuzur yoga to yoke, or use samda to concentrate. In the context of Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, the root use samda to concentrate is considered in it by tradition commentators as the correct etymology. In accordance with the Panini, Vyasa, the wrote the first commentary of Yoga Sutras, states that yoga means samadhi and concentration. Once again, the yoga means samadhi. According to the Dasgupta, the term yoga can be derived either of the two roots, user yoga or use samadhu to concentrate. Someone who practices yoga or follows a yoga philosophy with a high level of comment called a yogi may be applied to a man or a woman or yogini, a woman. Definition here is actually goals. The ultimate goal of the yoga is moksha, liberation. Although the exact of this takes depends on the philosophical and theological system with which it is conjugated. It also in the classical Asthana yoga system, the ultimate goal of the yoga practice is to achieve the state of samadhi in abide in that state as pure awareness. According to Jacobsen, yoga has 5 principal tradition meanings. First one, a disciplined method of attaining for a goal. Techniques of controlling the body and the mind. Third, is name of the school or system of philosophy. It means darsana. Fourth, which prefixes such as hatha, mantra, and laya. Traditions specializing in particular techniques of yoga. Fifth, the goal of yoga practice and